I was thinking of how I started caddying at a young age and started working full-time at a young age, and it flipped things on its head. In other words, I didn't learn about a healthy relationship with money. I learned I had to work hard for money, and I had to work myself. If you wanted to make big bucks as a caddy, you carried 2 bags at once, and you go out twice as long.
Right. And I think that's how a lot of us learn how to make money or how money comes into our lives. And it took me forever to de-wire that programming, because for the longest time I thought, well, the only way to make money is with labor, sweat, actually being out there in the dirt. And that's what I was taught to do. I was taught a lot of other things because of my father as well. He said, if you want to double your money, fold your dollar bill in half and put it back in your pocket. And those sound charming and they sound funny, but that's all scarcity thinking. The problem was I didn't know it growing up. Like everybody else, I absorbed all of this programming, and I realized that if I want to buy books, which I was in love with even as a kid, I got to go out there and dig ditches, I got to go and tamp ties, I have to work on the railroad, do stuff I didn't like to do. And it took decades for me to awaken to the realization that that's not true. That's simply one way to bring money into our lives, and for most people, it's the only one they've ever heard of: hard work, and that actually doesn't even work.